Know this, my friend. The heightened point of your imagination, of what you can truly imagine, the heightened point of it is the starting point of your higher mind, your higher self. It's the starting point. Here's what I want you to do. When you're trying to manifest, when you're trying to get anything you want, and we know we're supposed to be, we must be that which we want to acquire. We must fully encompass ourselves in that aspect of whatever we want. And imagine it. Yeah, imagine it. Go all out. Be bold. Imagine to the greatest of your ability. But know this. It is the starting point of the capabilities of your higher mind. Allow your higher mind to take over, because your physical mind is not capable. It is not capable. Stop trying to get it to do something it's not capable of. Just release. Just release it. Imagine it. Be it. Feel it. Live in that. In the wish fulfilled. You've all heard this, the great Neville Goddard. But then you must let go of the steering wheel and allow your higher mind to do what it's meant to do. That is it. That is the ultimate hack. And it's so freaking easy. Once you start to really, really dig into this, it becomes easier and easier and easier. If you want help getting into that meditative state, grab the meditation I have in the description. Grab it. Use it. It's absolutely free. It will help you get to that imagination that you really need to be in. But then, let it go. Forget about it. Forget about it. A lot of great spiritual teachers will say, set it and forget it. That couldn't be more true. Set it and allow your higher mind to take over and bring you even more than you could have ever imagined.